Now, I will cover the optional Bluetooth functions of the racer. I am mentioning this function because this feature has never been used on a detector until now. Some users have connected Bluetooth earphones available on the market to the devices and attempted to use with troubles. In general, users reported that Bluetooth functions which are not compatible with the device but connected to it with personal attempts caused delays in the field. In other words, they complained that when a target was detected, the signals were heard with 1 to 2 seconds delay, and therefore they were not able to detect target points precisely. Macro Detector considered the demands of these users and developed Bluetooth feature on the racer. Unlike other models, this feature has been perfected on the racer for the first time. The advantage of our technology is that the Bluetooth audio signal from the target is provided at the same time that the target is detected. Now we will carry out a series of tests to prove that. First of all, we detect the target while our device is running in active status. As you can hear now, the device provides a signal tone and outputs the tone through the loudspeaker. Now we turn off the device. We remove the cover of Bluetooth module and insert Bluetooth module in the slot. Then we keep the on-off switch located on the earphone pressed down for a while. The blue lamp will be illuminated when you keep it pressed down. Keep holding the button down until the blue light is followed by a white light. Restart the device upon turning on the earphone. It is not important in which mode you are performing search. The device runs in two-tone mode when initiated, and you can activate in this mode if you want to perform search directly in this mode. You can activate it upon performing mode selection if you prefer. In order to activate the Bluetooth function, keep the lower trigger pushed forward and press down the direction key once. You will see that the magnetic mineralization indicator will move continuously as a connection is made. This process takes nearly 1 minute. That means connecting the earphone to the device nearly takes 1 minute. Meanwhile, you can view if the connection is established using the mineralization indicator. Also note that the letters BT are displayed in the middle of the screen. Upon establishing connection with your Bluetooth earphone, BT phrase located in the middle of the screen disappears and magnetic mineralization indicator is restored to its previous status. Now we can understand that the connection is established and request that the wireless microphone of the camera from my friend in order to receive the sound heard from the earphone. Now I place the wireless microphone beside the earphone to let the sound come from here so that you can hear it clearly. Now we run a target past the search coil. I cannot hear the sound yet, but you should be able to hear through the microphone. This also allows you to understand if the earphone is active by checking ID numbers. In other words, the device actually detects a target, and we are able to see simultaneous coordination between all signals with ID change. Now, I will not point it and then point it again, making a quicker pass, and you can notice the changes in ID numbers and signal tone simultaneously. Thanks to this feature, issues of deviation from target points, delayed signal reception, failure to detect the target center precisely, or inability to receive the ID tones of the detected target are eliminated.